Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering how to move your XRP from Robinhood to Xaman, especially with all the updates coming in 2025. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security reasons. First off, make sure you have a Robinhood account set up with XRP in it, and that you've got your Xaman wallet ready to receive the funds. Xaman is a popular wallet for XRP, known for its user-friendly interface and strong security features. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app or website and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. It should be listed under your cryptocurrencies. Click on it to access your XRP wallet details. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This might be under a menu like Actions or Trade. When you select it, Robinhood will ask you to specify the cryptocurrency, in this case, XRP, and the amount you want to send. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Now, you'll need your Xaman wallet address. Open your Xaman app, go to your wallet, and copy the XRP address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you copy it correctly to prevent any lost funds. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Robinhood. You might also see a field for a memo or tag if Xaman requires it, so enter that if needed. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including any fees. Robinhood might charge a small fee for withdrawals, and network fees for XRP could vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Finally, sit back and wait for the transfer to complete. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Xaman wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you send XRP from Robinhood to Xaman in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for either platform. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.